Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while without posting a video here on YouTube, and like I said, I'll be documenting my life here on YouTube, trading wise, yeah, so forth and so on. Literally almost everything that will be happening, I'll be documenting it here on YouTube. But at the moment, I just want to show you some of the trades that I'm looking at or I'm looking to take. Firstly, today is Monday. Before we start, I want to show you these pairs. These are the pairs that I trade. So let's start with gold. What I'm looking to sell gold. But let's just give it. It's not ready yet because it's Monday today, so I'm just gonna give it some time to play out. But what I'm looking to sell gold. So let's start it on like a higher time frame, like H4 or 4 hours. As you can see on 4 hours, this is what we have. Gold has been buying. So as you can see, we had this consolidation here. Then gold broke outside, came back to retest it, pushed up again, which is this the highest that gold have ever been so far. So currently we're looking for sales. We're looking for gold to come back and retest at this level here before we can continue again pushing to the upside. So let's take it down to H1 so that you can see why I'm saying I'm looking for sales on gold. This is H1. And normally when I do my technical analysis, I do like top-down analysis where I start from a higher time frame to a lower time frame then start taking my trades on a lower time frame. So at the moment we're at H1. There's not much to show on H1, but what I can show you on H1 is on 1 hour is gold is currently at this consolidation. If you can see, we have our support here, then we have our resistance. So gold is currently moving in between. So when I again take it to 30 minutes, normally I take my trades on 15 minutes, but I'm just wanna show you something here on 30 minutes. Here on 30 minutes, what I'm waiting for gold to at least break outside of this support to turn it into a resistance. I'm waiting for it to break outside and give me that retest. Then I can take my entry on a retest. Of course, after getting my confirmation. So that's gold. So let's move to another pair, which is Bitcoin. It's crypto. So on Bitcoin, on a start on H4, as you can see, we have this uptrend here on Bitcoin. The market have already broken outside of this uptrend. As you can see here, it broke outside, but we are still at the support level. You see this horizontal level here, it was a support here, a resistance here, and if you can check here, it was a support at some point. So the market is still at the support zone technically, you see. So what I'm waiting for here, I'm waiting for Bitcoin at least to push up until here to give us that retest. Then after that retest, I can start looking for my sells. This is H4, so we're gonna take it down again for our 1 hour. On 1 hour, it's still the same thing. But now we can clearly see where why I was saying we are on support, because if you can see, this is our resistance here, resistance, support, then support, then if you can see the current price, we are at a support zone or level. So we must wait for the market at least to push up here, give us that retest, then we wait for our confirmation. The confirmation can be a pattern or a candlestick. Then we take our entry after a confirmation. So on Bitcoin, I'm also looking for sells, but I'm gonna wait for my confirmations before I take any trade. Let's move to DXY. On DXY, which is the dollar index, I'm going to do the same thing, take it to a higher time frame. As you can see here on a higher time frame, the market is at a very, very, I can say, solid support zone or level. Because if you can see here, we had our fake out, the market pushed again, making this a support. Let's move to this current price action. This is our support. So at the moment, DXY is at a very strong support level or zone. So let's move to H1, which is 1 hour. Okay, as you can see, we have our downtrend. We haven't broken out clearly out of this downtrend. That's why I have this resistance level here, because if you can check, this here is our support, then the market broke outside, retesting it, making it a resistance. So technically we are still below this level, making it our resistance. So we are not going to take any trades before the market break outside, then give us that retest, turning this resistance now into a support. Then we can look for those buys on DXY. So yeah, I think that's all. Or we have the last pair, which is Euro USD. The reason I put these pairs like this is mostly I use DXY for direction now, because I know if DXY is going to be selling, it's going to be buying, then Euro USD is going to be selling. Opposite thing, if DXY is selling, then I know Euro USD is going to be buying. Same goes to gold. If DXY is selling, then gold is going to be buying. The opposite is true. So that's why I have these pairs like this. So let's check what Euro USD have for us. I'm gonna start it on a higher time frame, which is 4 hours, H4. Normally when I do my technical analysis, I start on a daily time frame, then go down to the lower time frames. As you can see on Euro USD, we are on our resistance level, and if you can see here, there's our resistance here, resistance. Every time the market pushes up here, it comes down, it pushes up here, it comes down, and as you can see, literally where we're at now, we're at a resistance zone, this strong resistance zone. So the market is rejecting at the moment. So let's go down to like H1, which is 1 hour. 1 hour is not clear enough, but what I can tell you about 1 hour is we still have this support here. You see the market has been coming here, bouncing up, coming here, bouncing up, making this our support. So let's take it down to a lower time frame so that you can see clearly where I say this is a support, a mini support zone or level. You see every time the market comes here, it pushes up. Every time it comes here, it pushes up. So we are waiting for the market to at least break outside of this support, come back to retest it, making it now our resistance. Then we can start looking for our sells here. But on this trade, what you can do, you can even enter a sell here. Let's just say on the break and close below. If we get like a super bearish candle breaking outside of this support here and closing below it, you can take your sell and have your stop loss above this overall resistance level here. Your stop loss, I think, it will be safe above this resistance level here. But to be safer enough, you can wait for a break and a retest, then you take your entry. But either way, yeah, I think these are the only pairs that I have now. Yeah, thank you. If you found any value in this video, please do me a favor, like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you, guys. Oh, the other thing I'll be doing is I'm gonna be starting this challenge. I don't wanna say $10 to something, but my target will be, let's just say, I have a $10 account. I know it's a very, very, very small account. It's a very, very small account, and if you don't know what you are doing, you can easily blow it. So I'm gonna be attempting to grow this $10 account to at least, let's say, okay, I'm gonna be attempting to grow this $10 account to, let's say, $100. Yeah, $10 to $100. That will be the challenge. I'm gonna be attempting to grow this $10 account to $100. The goal here is to grow that $10 to $100, withdraw the $100, then purchase a funded account. Yeah, that's a goal. Grow the $10 account to $100, then withdraw the money, purchase a funded account, then we trade the funded account.